happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Wicked Garage. You can see in front of me we have the service body we are repainting and going to swap on the new cabin chassis. We have this all taped up and finished. It is about 12 o'clock right now and we're just getting into it. In another half hour we'll be priming. First thing we're doing is we're going to set up the fans, get the airflow going through here. We're going to wipe this all down one more time, tack cloth it, and then we're going to set some primer on all this bare spot down here to give it some thickness, mainly because they didn't really care too much underneath there when they were doing the paint, because they knew it was going to be essentially bed lined. This is a different kind of paint. I forget what they call it. It's like a ends coating or something, and it's a thicker paint that is almost has the qualities of powder coat. So it's an industrial kind of paint that's made for these type of trucks essentially and equipment. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. There's a lot of paint and prep and more paint in it. So hopefully we will be done painting by the end of this week, and this will be going up on Sunday on our normal schedule. And like I said, I hope you enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe if you like what we do here. Let's get into it, guys. All right, guys, so you've seen we blew everything down off of the plasma table, off the wall, the sides, the crevices, and then blew all these off, went back around, blow them off one more time, make sure they were all good so that there wasn't anything coming off of them, and then we wiped everything down. So we have a lot of pieces in general. Of course, that's going to kick on while I'm doing this. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Yeah, so anyway, we got all of our doors. They're not going to be flipped over, so they're good to go. We have to paint the back of this, the back of this, the back of these, all these components, as well as on a table. And then we'll flip them over after they dry, and we'll spray everything else and get that primer all done. If we need another coat, which we shouldn't because it's a good epoxy, it covers a lot of imperfections and such, but if we do need another coat, we'll just put another coat on them, and then we have to play the weight game for a little while it dries. So it's usually about an hour I let it sit, an hour and a half, and then I can get into base coating. It all depends on how the temperature is when it's coming in here. Today's a little bit more cold on the cold side. I'm gonna have the heat running as well, so as long as the heat's running, I should be good. We're gonna try to keep it about 65 in here. Obviously, I'm gonna crank it up to like 70, but if I have the door open, I have to go a little bit higher. But anyway, we're going to get to it. There's a lot of painting to do, and probably gonna be another late day just because of the waiting in between all of the flash times and processes. So let's do it. All right, guys, so all the doors, accessories, the panels for the air compressor, the crane pieces, everything that needed to be painted red has been painted. There is dust in it, unfortunately. We're in that type of shop and environment. We have trucks coming in all the time, in and out. So it is what it is, but we'll polish everything up once it gets on the truck, and that'll be like the finishing, you know, piece resistant or whatever the heck you want to call it, whatever they say. But over here we got some other parts we have to Raptor line black, so we're gonna do a black block, black little safety, don't know what it is, little safety line sort of guide, I guess you can call. and then a safety stop. So this prevents the block from going up and just railing through the crane. And there's a few other components on there that I have to take off, which is the center holder brackets, and then the crane hold and the purlin. You also seen us wet sanding and polishing today, a little bit of it at least, and you can see we did really good on there. These on both sides were done, as well as the backs, which look so much better now. The doors are going to be beautiful on here once they're all on here, because they laid out really nice, obviously because they're laid down. But once we get those components wrapped aligned, which next week I have a bunch of other stuff coming for another truck that has to get bed lines, so it sort of works out. Once that all gets done, we can throw everything together. We are going to put the hinges and everything on and the doors on the truck probably Tuesday, because we're going to need all of these benches in order to paint what I got coming in. So yeah, remember to like, comment, and share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel if you're liking the content, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace